Hey, what's up everybody? It's Chris Jackson, your internet motorcycle sales guy here at Bumpus Harley-Davidson in Jackson, Tennessee. Today I've got a 2021 Sportster 48 1200 to show you. This bike's only got right at 160 miles on it. Basically a brand new bike. It will be a certified pre-owned. Still have factory warranty left on it. Bike just recently got traded in. Absolutely nothing wrong with the bike, as you know, would be expected from a bike that's only been ridden a little over 100 miles. Completely stock, nothing's been changed on it. This one does have security and ABS, which is kind of rare on these Sportsters. Normally don't get them like that. Great looking bike. Love these 48s. They look great. If you think this could be your next bike, inquire about it here on the website or give me a call at 731-422-5508. Better yet, come see it in person, take it for a test ride, and check out the rest of our inventory. Y'all come see us.